What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-110552-4, fail to read the disk. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. So here we are at the screen. You just put your disk in it and start your application and check your application is up to date or not, and your disk is clean or not. Sometimes you have a scratches on your disk, that's why you get this error. Sometimes you don't have a memory and you don't have a space in your storage, that's why because even your disk also needs to download some files in your storage, and even the disk also you just install it in your storage. So you must have a storage. If you don't have a storage, you must make a storage first, and here is the PSN console. And sometime you don't have the region, the same region on the disk, so you must check your disk region and your PSN account region. So here you set the same region in your disk, and after that you just play it. Sometime you have a different region on your PSN account and your disk, that's why it's not working. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of disk error on your PlayStation 5. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.